Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by auditing your highest value pages. Focus on 10 to 20 that drive traffic. Once done, confirm indexability, check robots, TXT, XML sitemap, and canonical tags so Google can crawl correctly. Now choose 5 target keywords per page that match user intent. You want primary, secondary, and long-tail variations. Do this first to make later work efficient, because relevance and crawlability determine whether technical or content fixes will actually matter for rankings. Next, optimize on-page elements so you communicate relevance clearly. Rewrite titles and H1s to include the primary keyword and keep meta within 60 to 70 characters for better CTR. Make sure headings follow hierarchy. Then improve page content, write for users first, add depth, and aim for 800+ words when the topic requires it. Include examples and headings. Also add schema markup, smart internal links, and verify mobile layout because these boost snippets, engagement, and crawl signals. Finally, focus on technical polish and monitoring so gains stick. Improve core web vitals, reduce largest contentful paint, improve interactivity, and stabilize layout shifts, because performance affects rankings and conversion. Then set up weekly checks in Search Console and Analytics to spot drops and query changes, and automate sitemap submissions. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot redirects, duplicate content, or manual penalties. Start by isolating recent changes, revert if needed, and communicate fixes via.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.